that was loud. Okay, guys, that was my dad snoring, and he was loud. He's loud. It might not be loud to you guys, but he is loud.